to use your next 90 days so that you can get a 90,000 rupees extra package after your graduation. I'm Megha Bansali, Commerce Career Coach, Indian Chartered Accountant and ACCA. So guys, I've been interacting with a lot of 12th standard students and they are telling me that ma'am, our college is going to start in August. So what do we do till then? How do we utilize the next 3 months or the next 90 days very effectively? So here are my top 5 tips on what you should be doing in the next 90 days so that you can get a career edge, and definitely after your graduation, this will make you get an extra package. So first and foremost thing, guys, if you are wanting to build a career in finance, then you need to have financial literacy. Now, what do you mean by financial literacy? You need to be aware about money, about markets, about economy, what is interest rate, what are mutual funds, stock markets. So please do a basic study around money, money management, how the market is moving. I'm not saying invest in stock market, but at least get a basic understanding on how these things work, how is interest rate affecting the economy, how is, physical bill affecting the economy. So try and figure out a lot of these basic things which will help you be more aware about money, which will help you in money management, and it will also help you in your personal finance. These are basic things that you need to know before you are going to start working in the field of finance. Unfortunately, we at our school level are not taught about this, but you can definitely do a lot of financial literacy course so that you get awareness around this. The second thing that you need to know, as a student in finance field, you really need to know Excel. So please join any Excel course, which could be for 1 month, 2 month, do anything online, but you really need to know Excel. You can also watch YouTube videos and learn Excel. So Excel is something that you really need to be comfortable with. Third thing that I want all of you to do, which is the most important thing which we all ignore, is to work on our communication. So if you are someone who is very shy, please join any course which is working on public speaking. There are a lot of summer camps that are happening at this time where they focus on public speaking. Toastmaster is one such organization which helps you work on public speaking. If not, just start making YouTube videos and that will help you build your communication skills. Communication is very, very important. You really need to work around it because you might know everything. It might be in your head, but unless it does not come out, your interviewer, your employer will not know what you have. So communication is very, 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 very important. So please work around that. Then the fourth thing that you should really be working on is reading Economic Times. Please read Economic Times every day, okay? Even if you don't have the physical copy coming at home, there is a website of Economic Times, there is the application. You can download it, or you can also, read any alternative business news like Business Standard or any of those. Read a business-oriented newspaper so that you get basic awareness of what is happening, which company is coming in, what is an IPO, what are stocks, how valuation takes place, what is the economy, how things are affecting, how politics affects business economy. All of that you will get a basic understanding. So if you build that habit over a 90 days period, definitely you will want to continue reading it. And this basic knowledge about business understanding will really help you no matter what you're doing, where you're going. So reading a business newspaper, be it Economic Times, Business Standard, any of those is a mandate. Please start reading it from now. There might be a lot of things that you might not understand. You can probably Google it. You can use AI to understand the articles better. That will help you widen your finance knowledge. Now, the last thing that I strongly personally believe, which is really going to help you, is to work on your LinkedIn profile. Now, you might ask me that, it's too soon. I don't have anything to speak on LinkedIn. I don't have anything to add on. That's okay. You can start scrolling. Instead of spending, a lot of time on Instagram, probably 10 minutes a day, reduce your Instagram time and spend it on LinkedIn. So all you got to do is just observe people for at least for a month. Observe what kind of content people are posting, what are they writing in their bio, how their profile picture is, how their cover photo is. Start using that, optimize your profile. Start talking about something small and relevant. Probably you read a business article on, a particular startup, on their valuation, or how the founder has exited the startup, what did he make out of it. So any article you can pick, you can express your opinion, you can do some financial modeling, you can probably took a flight, you can talk about your experience at the airport, how everything is getting digitalized, anything that is around business, technology, innovation, money, you can start posting, you can start writing small articles. It'll also improve your communication, plus it will put you out there. So you are going to be at a platform wherein all the professionals are present. So this will make your personal branding very strong, and trust me, this will definitely help you get an edge over others when your recruiters are looking at you. Now, these are my tips, and in case you're looking at how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, then you can reach out to me. I'll help you figure this out. However, I feel that these are 5 things that every 12th standard commerce student should be working upon in the next 90 days, and this will really help them stand out from the 95% of the crowd. This is tried and tested, guys. So please do follow this. In case you have any questions or queries, please drop a comment below. Please feel free to reach out to me. I am very happy to guide each one of you out there. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your friends, and I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.